That was a bit of a walk, but it's a nice day for it. Gas time. Carbon dioxide. So I had to unhook this, which I presume is like a valve. Do not refill. We'll put that in the bin when we're finished with it. But I'm going to get some gas. Get some gas for the welder. And then we will crack on with the Civic welding. Sleepy's on his way down. He's going to give me a lift to Machine Mart so we can go and get the gas. If they sell it, that is. I've ordered some new bits and bobs for the Civic. This should be here in the next 10 to 14 days. Exciting times. I love this place. I really do. All the sacrifice. It's all worthwhile. I absolutely love it. If anyone's got a D-Max rear light for a driver's side in S15, let me know! Because mine is seen better days. So, back from a fill. I'm stuffed. Oh, is that dusty? I need to check before I even do this. Our mate's here. So, I bought some carbon dioxide welding for 54% more gas. How about that, Rich? 15 quid. Not bad. Time to try not to kill ourselves. Must be that simple. Is this the right one? I don't know. Oh! Oh, yes! Great success. Looks like it's got a one-way push lock. Oh, it's a little bit bigger. We don't die. We'll see if it works in a minute. Alright, Sleepy. Do you feel uncomfortable? No. You know when you look at yourself on YouTube and go, I'm fucking YouTube famous, must dickhead.
What's that fucking stupid tattoo on my face that I did?
Which one?
This one.
What is it, mate?
It's just shit, ain't it? Fucking look at me, man.
Where are you going, buddy?
I'm fucking running away.
What I bought. So I was sick of burning my fingers and my hands. Can you smell it? Oh, it smells like China. Don't know. But yes, I bought myself some welding gauntlets or welding gloves or whatever you'd like to call them. Sorry about all the racket. But yeah, I'm going to try the new gloves out. They're not as cool as my drifting gloves. And to be fair, I'm not sure if I'll be able to feel the trigger properly. But gas is on. Earth is on. Power is on. This power is on. So let's go welding. Alright kids, so what we're going to do first of all is we're going to start welding it. First you've got to get yourself a welder, and don't forget your gloves, and don't forget your mask, and don't forget the trigger. Oh look, it seems to be working. Don't forget Stannis's nips. I mean, See if it welds any better than it did last time, though. Oh. Probably shouldn't be wearing fucking shorts, should I? Get gauntlet to wear shorts and t-shirts, dickhead. So, we're getting somewhere near now. Yeah, sorry about all the noise. Oh no, it's loud. Sleep is helping as usual. Always useful. Alright, bud. Fucking useless cunt. Useless. But yeah, I'm getting somewhere now. Just tuck it back a little bit. Starting to. Just need to take a couple of these high spots off. I need to continue. Just do my little tacks. Tack a jack. Then a second pass. Still just a couple of low spots. I need to just bring up. Just need to tidy that up by hand. Bring that area. Just a couple of low, boys. Just a couple of low. And this side, I forgot, I did like 3 passes, grinded, another pass, grinded, another pass. I don't know if we'll see from the inside. Probably not. So I've just done fenders on. Look. There we go. I've just done my first pass of filler. I think my filler is pretty much dead. But hopefully we'll have a little bit left for the last skim. I need to fix my bumper. I need to fix the bumper. And I need to paint that bumper. Welder. 10 out of 10 for the welder. Thank you very much, Rich. I need to just seal. Need to get some seam sealer and seal the seams. I'm not going to be able to weld underneath or inside until I get the car off the ramp, strip all the interior out, because it will catch fire otherwise. Lucas has popped up. He wants to play the space again. Let's go and have a look. We fitted a HKS exhaust on here a couple of months ago. What the fuck is all this shit?
Still in already, mate. No,
I can't find the lock. No.
Give me that HKS box and tennis ball.
Alright.
Got the fucking wheel, ain't got the hot button now.
What? Oh yeah. He's gonna put some spices on. I'm going to give the S15 a wash. Ready for tomorrow. That filler's going off. I'm not doing anything else. I'm going to edit some videos, catch up to keep you happy. Because I'm weeks behind. I'm sorry. So I've just spent the last half an hour or so getting the car cleaned. Just a quick one bomb. Get ready fresh for the journey tomorrow. And because of the fiberglass was missing, I've not had time, but I've just wrapped it because I'd rather have it a slightly off shade of red, the same as the back bumper there, than a big massive white damaged area Because the last thing I want to do is see it in a picture and it look shit. The car's come up nice. Put a little bit of bullshit shine on my tyres. And that'll be it. It's gonna be the lot. I'm gonna pack, I'm gonna tidy up. I'm gonna bring the cars in. And then I'm gonna get ready for tomorrow. We're going to Wigan, which is a track called Three Sisters. It should be fun. Hopefully it's not raining. If it is raining, I might not go. I might go in the Civic. But we're going to go and help Rich, give him some pointers. See how he's getting on with his drifting. Ah, damn. I need to clean my side skirts. Shit. But other than that, I will see you in the morning.